Did you know the humble lemon, when paired with water, can pack a powerful punch of health benefits? Brace yourself as we dive into the top 7 benefits of lemon water. First off, it's an excellent source of vitamin C. This essential nutrient boosts your immune system and keeps those pesky colds at bay. Secondly, it aids digestion. A glass of lemon water in the morning can kickstart your digestive system and help you start your day right. Next up, it's a natural detoxifier. It flushes out toxins and cleanses your liver, keeping you healthy from the inside out. Fourth, it keeps your skin glowing. Thanks to its antioxidant properties, lemon water helps to keep your skin clear and radiant. On to the fifth, it aids in weight loss. The pectin fiber in lemons helps to fight hunger cravings. Number 6, it freshens breath. The citric acid in lemons kills bacteria in your mouth, keeping your breath fresh. And finally, the 7th benefit, it boosts your energy levels. The negative ions in lemons increase energy levels naturally. So, next time you reach for a drink, make it a glass of lemon water. Your body will thank you. Remember, health is wealth. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy.